Today, President-elect Joe Biden took a major step in the road to reopening. He received his second dose of Pfizer's COVID-19 vaccine in Delaware. That means he's now fully vaccinated against COVID-19. The Pfizer-BioNTech vaccine that Biden received is said to be about 95% effective.
I think it's denying the Floridians a chance to get their shot because they're coming in from Venezuela and Argentina or wherever. I'm not happy about it.
And now at 5, it's already been stressful for elderly South Floridians to receive their vaccine because of high demand. But tonight, there's some concern that people from out of town are getting the shots intended for people who live here.
CBS 4's Peter Danch is in Tropical Park, where there is mixed reaction to this.
Under state guidelines, seniors do not have to live in this state in order to get vaccinated. Some here worry that enables other people to jump ahead of them as they try to make appointments for the vaccines. As seniors pack sites like Tropical Park to get shots in the arm of the Moderna vaccine, they notice
When you go to register, it doesn't ask you where you live. It doesn't say if you're a Florida resident.
there are no residency requirements to get this vaccine.
I don't feel good. I think it's denying the Floridians a chance to get their shot because they're coming in from Venezuela and Argentina.
I don't feel good about that. I understand that people are coming from New York to get shots and then flying back.
Broward Mayor Steve Geller is opposed to people coming here from other states or countries just to get the vaccine, but he notes,
And if you have vulnerable seniors and they're snowbirds and they're here for 3 or 4 or 5 months, I think it's unreasonable to say that they will not be provided with the vaccine, even though they're not legally residents of Florida. Certainly, if they get ill, if they get COVID, they will end up using our hospitals, and our goal is to prevent people from using our hospitals.
Many of them have homes here, so we really are taking care of residents. Although they may not officially be residents of Florida, they still have homes in Florida.
CEO Carlos Magoya also says Jackson Health System has taken steps to curb seniors from other countries trying to jump ahead of those from South Florida.
We've prevented any international internet to come into our system, so therefore the only internet to be able to get appointments from us have to come within the United States. The goal is to make sure that if anybody is walking around South Florida and they happen to be COVID positive, they're spreading the disease. And if they happen to be over 65, they're the highest risk of people in getting the disease and potentially dying from it.
At Tropical Park, one woman tells us vaccinating everyone, regardless of where they live, makes sense.
I think it's the right, humane thing to do.
Governor DeSantis last week discouraged people from coming to Florida just to get their vaccine. The state health department reminds seniors that they have to be able to return here in 4 weeks to receive their second and final dose of the Moderna vaccine. At Tropical Park, Peter Danch, CBS 4 News.